Hey guys, how's it going? I'm coming back to you with yet another addition to our van. This time I'm sharing with you a solution to mount all of your gear. It's called the NAVIDOK OverlanderX. And this is a bracket that has ram mount tracks on it. And it just clamps in with an Allen system here into the cubbies on your van, and then has one track coming across the top up here, and then there's another track as well on the bottom, so you can mount your GoPro, mount a couple of phones on here. As you can see, we've got his and her phones, we've got a walkie-talkie radio, we've got even our iPad mounted to this. So all of the components needed to mount this gear are all ram mount products. TerraX does sell them on their website as well. And just want to share this with you. It's a really sturdy solution. Installation is a breeze. It took me probably 10 minutes. Again, you just clamp it in here with an Allen key, and then there's a couple of screws up top that will mount some brackets up there as well. No drilling required. And again, it took me about 10 minutes. I watched a video that they offer on their website, which made my installation, I think I did it in about 10 minutes. So yeah, a new great addition to the van will help keep things organized. I love how you can just configure things exactly how you want them, how you can position them in any configuration you want. And worked out really well for us, so had to share it with you. So there you go. Hope to see you guys out on the trail sometime soon. Take care.